So this is actually my first time going to a NASCAR race. This one is here in Fontana, California. But my brother, he goes every year, so I decided to tag along, hang out, shoot some video, and just have a good time. So stay tuned to see how it went.
The Blackstone is so nice and it's so,
yeah.
Whenever we go camping in Calico, everyone always uses their Blackstone.
Yeah, we actually make and sell these covers for them.
Do you?
Yeah, me and my brother.
Wow.
Yeah.
We did this in Brett's bar at his house.
The diamond plate?
Yeah, we did the diamond plate on his man cave bar.
Oh, nice.
Alright guys, welcome back to another Griddle Guard vlog. We're at NASCAR with my brother David right here. Yo DC, say what up to the vlog, man.
We're out here.
We're out here in Fontana.
Fontana.
NASCAR. Here's our campsite where we're tailgating today. We got the 30 Stations Blackstone here. And as you can see, we're using the diamond plate today here on our griddle.
Yeah, I feel the diamond plate is a good fit for NASCAR.
Yeah, diamond plate is good for NASCAR, I think. So that's why we brought it out here. So yeah, it should be a good day today. Alright guys, we got Tan the Man here. Tan the Man. We're at NASCAR. It's his first time too. It's my first time, it's his first time. What do you think, dude? Excited?
Yeah.
Alright, man. So for this one, we're cooking this pepper bacon. Pepper bacon, we got potatoes O'Brien right here. Ooh. And we got the eggs right here. Making a little video.
Oh, very nice.
What's that tape, honey?
I don't know.
So yeah, so we do know a few people that race on Saturdays here. Sheldon Creed, shout out to Sheldon Creed, and Will Rogers. So those guys run on Saturdays. I think it's more the amateur series, but so give a shout out to those guys. So yeah, I think we're cooking for about 14 people. I did 2.5 pounds of bacon, maybe what, 3 dozen eggs or so, 3 bags of potatoes. Just with the eggs, you kind of have to do a little bit at a time because it kind of goes everywhere.
Fontana 2022 NASCAR.
We're here at Griddle Guard. Griddle Guard Brothers. Hey, shout out to Crazy Pop.
Shout out to Crazy Pop.
Crazy Pop.
Wish you were here.
Wish you were here, brother.
Shout out to the Walt Twins.
Walt Twins. Good to go. So we ended up staying for a big chunk of the race, but we decided to head out a little bit early just to beat traffic on the way out. But let me tell you, we had a good time. We got to griddle in the morning, hang out with our friends. I got to hang out with my brother David, and you know, hang out with cool people, walk around. And one cool thing too was seeing the fighter jets fly over. And that's freedom, baby. That's good old American freedom. And we hope that you'll choose American-made products like ours. Check us out at griddleguard.com.